Hi friends, welcome back everyone to my channel Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince once again here. So I should tell you a very horrible expiry has come to an end. It was really difficult trading this entire expiry from in fact entire April itself was horrible. Bank Nifty was just moving sideways. That side, this side, premiums also were very low. There's a lot of spikes. If at all you would have observed many 920 saddles. Many people in fact tell me also, sir, we are very horrible this month. What we should do? Should we fine tune the strategy and many things? But then let me tell you, it's just a moving cloud or something like that. You don't have to worry, it will move on. And friends, let me tell you, we have completed 1 month of live trading. I've been posting continuously from past 1 month, almost March to 2025 something we started. I've posted without even missing one day. All the days I've posted my trades, and hope you were able to learn something new out of this live trading. Simple tricks I was following, just simple indicators, small profits and small profits and small losses. That's all. And you can see almost I made close to 6.5 lakh profits, including today's profit. So it's enough for a 1 month period. Average profit of 5 to 6 lakh is more than enough. And friends, let me tell you, I'm going to stop from now onwards posting daily. Reason because it's not so easy to record daily and post daily. And also, if at all I see into the views also have come down less than 1,000. Might be because many felt it as monotonous, or might be many of them already learned the trick. Many of them learned the adjustments part. It's the same indicators I'm using daily, the same strategy I'm using daily, the same explanation I'm giving daily. So then I felt it's not right to post daily, and I'll post when I feel it is required. If at all the adjustments are brilliant, or if I feel the adjustments are good enough, worthy to share to you, I'll do post it. But apart from that, there will be regular strategies, regular learnings, regular updates. All those things I'll keep updating in this channel. So don't miss out all those things. You can stay tuned in this channel for a longer time as well. Okay. So coming back to today's trade, it was very difficult in the initial part because my MTM was fluctuating up and down, because Bank Nifty also was trying to move up and down. I was going into profits, again coming back to losses, again break even. So that was how it was initially, and then later after 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, I should say, it was almost complete sideways. And also the premiums, the decay also happened very nicely after 2 o'clock. I added a little bit of extra straddles after 2 o'clock, and then I was able to come out in profit. So I think you had a very good learning in this particular month from my all live trades. And also I'm going to get involved more into options buying now. That is the latest trend which everyone asks. Now that I'm very comfortable with option selling, I've been trying option buying from almost past to 2-3 months. So if at all you feel like joining with me and trading with me, you can get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number 8095 876525 and learn along with me and trade along with me, in case if you want to learn and trade with me. And apart from that, I'll keep you posted on with all my other learnings and videos on the channel. Okay. So without wasting much time, let us enter into today's trade and look into it. So Bank Nifty had a slight gap up opening in today's trade, and it was, as I always say, whenever it is gap up opening, I'm very happy. Yeah. So looking into the open interest, you can see there is a very big tower at 36,500. So we can expect very good resistance at this level. And yeah, so we can expect a very good support at this level, 36,500 levels we can see here. And on the higher side, I'm keeping at 36,613. That's being the high of the day, and I can't keep very far off values. So 36,500 is the support, and the resistance 600, which I have maintained accordingly. So this is a positions I took a straddle, 36,600 straddle. And when the market was trying to come down, I tried closing one of the leg, one of the put leg, but again you can see Bank Nifty is reversing. Today premiums are very low, so you have to be very careful. Okay, so that is why when I was trying to come down, I tried to cut one leg, and that is how I did the adjustment. And after that, Bank Nifty is almost sideways. It is moving in the range itself, so there is no much spike and all those things. It was just trying to move sideways. So I added little more positions. Today being Thursday, I'm trying to extend little more, not adding everything as of now. Slowly by slowly, I'm trying to add the positions. So as of now, you can see that I have slightly increased my call. The calls are much higher compared to the put, expecting the Bank Nifty to come down from here. Okay, so if it moves down, it will be well and good for us, a very good profitable position for us. And then yeah, so now you can see, friends, the line which we have marked here, correctly Bank Nifty has crossed below this, and after that you can see it is staying down itself. I am talking about these particular candles. and rightly I did the adjustments as well. I am completely naked call now, expecting Bank Nifty to go down from here. So there is a super trend which is holding it back. Okay, so it has not crossed the super trend till now, and Bank Nifty is still moving there. So I kept on adding these straddles. So this is what saved me on a Thursday for today, adding straddles whenever market was sideways. I kept on adding the straddles, and then it really paid off today for me. Okay, so along with the previous positions, I have added a straddle now again, and let us see how Bank Nifty goes. Okay, so now Bank Nifty is continuing to go down. So once again you can see that I have completely reduced my put positions, just left with a small quantity of put positions. I am majorly holding the call positions, but then you can see the reversal which has happened from, this was a 10-3 super trend indicator. The Bank Nifty has reversed exactly from this level and it has retraced from this. Okay, so this was the harsh part of Bank Nifty. I was completely naked, I was going down with full profit in full zoom, but then Bank Nifty reversed and it went up. As always, this is what you can expect on the expiry day. Yeah, this kind of V recovery movement. Yeah, so you can see the loss has almost gone to 60,000 loss, and I've tried adding put positions as well, trying to make the positions bullish as of now. And yeah, so you can see 1325 quantities of put, and call is only 1750 plus 450 calls. I'm having multiple strikes because it will be easy for me to do the adjustments. Okay, so once again Bank Nifty has just tried to bounce back from this level which I had marked, the resistance level which I marked. So this is the beauty of the open interest which we are finding out early morning. It will really give us a clear range for the day. So you can see at this particular line it is trying to reject from this level, it is coming back. So accordingly we can move our positions as well. Okay, so you can see that loss have come down, and I am still bullish itself. It can go up from here. Okay, so time is 12:40 friends, and you can see Bank Nifty has just kept on going up, but it was not a steady movement. It was just trying to move sideways and then again trying to go up and again moving sideways and again trying to go up. That was how it was the overall day for today. So let us look into the positions. So you can see that losses have come down drastically. Okay, so still I have little bit of call options in case if the Bank Nifty reverses, it will really help us. So yeah, this was what exactly I was talking about. These reversals are expected on an expiry day. That's why I just held on with little bit of call options. I did not go to close entirely, and correctly you can see Bank Nifty has reversed, and so is the case with PNL as well. So presently you can see we have come to break even and slight profit, and after this after 2 o'clock the journey was little easier. You can see the decay happening very nicely. It was just a smooth curve. Decay kept on increasing from 2 o'clock. So just a sideways movement. After that Bank Nifty kept on moving sideways. So you can see again and again after 230, close to 230 as well, again profits have reached now close to 50,000. We are just going sideways smoothly, and now I close in position at 3 o'clock. I did not go to wait after that, and this after this 2 o'clock, this particular period was really helpful for us. This was the area where it really the decay happened, and adding more straddles really helped me on this level. Yeah, this particular level which I'm talking about, and then I was able to make good profits.